Welcome, Jamaica Good Life. This is Randy speaking. Good morning. So today, first, we're gonna make a shake. We're gonna, of course, say our give thanks to the all. Give thanks to the all. Give thanks to the all. Right? So we check our ackee tree in the morning. This is a normal life in Jamaica. Now we pick all the ackee tree. Most of them are spoiled and things, so we leave them there for the nature. We don't take everything from the tree. So this is Randy, Jamaica Good Life. You know what I'm saying? Still waiting for the good wife. No, why the good wife takes so long? Well, I'm an activist. I'm what you call a rebel. I'm a Marcus Garvey disciple. I'm a radical man. When it comes to information, that's why the good wife takes so long. Because most women I've met, they're not radical. They're not on an African-centric mission. Them just fit in. So me's a guy where me fit out. So the woman when me deal with have to be radical, activism, nation building, Garveyite. Like a Amy Garvey. You know me I say. So me I look for that woman there, like a Amy Garvey type. Garveyite. What we say nation building, what we say water boat, what we say planting, what we say community, what we say protest, what we say informational liberation. That's the kind of one where me I look for. That's why you see me travel to Africa. I'm the director of the world's largest African history archive. I'm a pan-Africanist. So most of the women I've met, they're not pan-Africanists. They're Eurocentric minded. So I can't really dare on them because some of the things they say, it literally upset me because of the ignorance. So I try to educate them, but most of them don't really say Africa. So that's why you see me more at a time and they're alone. You know me I say, it's mindset. That's why you don't see me with no wife because me's a free youth and me liberated. So you have to be radical for that around me. I'm a radical Marcus Garveyite. So I want to make that clear too now. So I get to know me more. The reason we build Jamaica Good Life is just like Marcus Garvey, we're bringing the people back home. We know that in order to build a nation, you have to have the warriors. Okay? So my approach was instead of having a group and this and this and that, my approach was just to bring the people them home. And with a gender unity, each person will decide what they're going to do to fix Jamaica. What you find with groups and movement, ego is involved, she-go is involved, but the common agenda is to own land, to do farming, and to be activist so that the land is not being taken over. So there's a couple of righteous Christians and righteous Garveyites still left in the world. A few of us who are real passionate about culture, land, preservation, and we see the markings on the wall. And we do whatever we can, and we sacrifice our life, and we do a lot of sacrifice, a lot of sardine we eat, a lot of struggle. Sometimes people think you have money, but it's how you navigate life. But this Garveyism thing, this Pan-African thing, is why YouTube don't give us views, because we want to own our own products, we want to own our own land, we want to do our own farming, we want to secure ourselves, we want to continue the philosophy of our ancestors, we want to live a psychological normal life, we want our children them to be children, we don't want them to be sexual confused. We see the psychology of the world and it don't look good. The psychology in the world right now does not look good. Jamaica is still fighting a normalcy of humanity. And this is what is good life. It doesn't get better than this. If this is your backyard, leave some of the bush for the bees. So there's a lot of things we learn that is not how it seems. Weeding up the grass is not a good thing. We're backwards. Cleaning the grass around the trees, which I will do. Now we're going to visit the guava tree. Make we continue. So basically now, when you have like a ginger fly, everything is good. Means you have a natural environment. Now you can see here, the virgin give me some sorrel seed. We plant some sorrel. Okay. So we have some sorrel seed. I will deal with that. at some point. So I'm going to take with time. I'm going to welcome for the journey. We're going to continue. So this morning, what am I do? For the warrior, the revolutionary, we blended coffee from the Jamaica Good Life Coffee, just to demonstrate to you that we're Garveyite. In our community, of course, we went and we took our grandmother coffee and we, I never put no cold pressed coconut. We have our own coffee brand. So you have to know to say, basically, enough Jamaicans, we want to start developing a product, you know? So, fix the camera. Part of my Garvey movement is to do so other people can do. We team up with people. Now you need this drink, you're never tired. You need the blood purifier. You need this, because my drink always lose the weight. And if you have circulation issue, foot issue, this is what you drink, the circulation tonic. Go to JamaicaHealthBox.com. They know the detox, the big one, everybody need this. So, to start your cleansing, you're gonna need these products, okay? So in this drink today, what we did, so we're Pan-Africanists. We're about Garvey. So if you don't like Garvey, you might not like me. So that must say 24/7, Marcus Garvey. So Marcus Garvey teaches us to do for ourselves. So blood purifier, you need it. You need the big of all of this. So you don't have to buy all of them at once. What you do is you buy two, you can afford it. So these liquids is the best healing. The never tired roots is this, okay? So then the noni detox for your immune system and the circulation for you open up your veins and your arteries and stuff, and then the blood purifier. So you need a liquid cleanse. You need a liquid system. So for people with high blood pressure and sugar problem, this is the tea you take, all right? So basically, this is the tea you take, right? So I was pre-diabetic, and me used to kind of weak out, so I take this, and I balance out, okay? So now, the cold pressed coconut oil, this coconut oil here, the best from Jamaica. So some of this I'm going to put in on my shake. So cold pressed coconut oil, after you do your cleanse, it's important that you do your cleanse and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. So now this cold pressed coconut oil is good for the intestine, it's good for the good cholesterol. You add it to your tea, you add it to everything you do. So this is what every other morning should look like. I try not to do things every day, all right? Everything in moderation, even my shake. So this is what my shake look like. This is the sea moss. If you don't have sea moss in your diet, you have a problem. Now, I'm not a meat fighter. I'm about how you eat meat. Now, me personally, I love cow skin. We're gonna cook this out from the joints and everything. So I'm not a vegetarian. I eat chicken, I love cow skin, and I make a drink with this. So after I boil it for the first time, I pour off the liquid, and I keep the liquid in the fridge. And then I use the cow skin thing, and I make a drink with it. One of the most important products we have is the watercress extra. This right here, so, is a must-have. You put it in this, because this is the cell rejuvenator. Watercress is one of the best thing you want in your house. Go read about it. It lower tumors and it prevent the growth of tumors. So this is a must-have from our health box. This is the breadfruit tree extract. So this is good too. So you say we even use coffee. This is Jamaica Good Life Coffee. So you see what we're doing here. We're promoting health. We come back home and we did a lot of sacrifice. We team up with people. We have something called Agenda Unity. What Agenda Unity is, if you want your grandchildren them for own Jamaica, that's Agenda Unity. If you guys are buying land and splitting up the land among families so the government can't take it, That's agenda unity. So if we now have 20 acres, agenda unity is planting guava trees. Agenda unity is planting soursop trees. Let the families have it, but come down orange trees. Pay them to take care of the orange trees. That's agenda unity. We have to plant the trees. Even though the people them sometimes down here don't want to do it. Their mindset, you see. So when you come down here, get your Vitamix blenders, bring them in your barrels, buy them secondhand, and plant your guava tree and make your guava juice with ginger. So now in this powerful drink, so we are about product development. We're about Garveyism. We're about ownership. That's what we're about. We're not about, we're governing our own self, right? We're about farming. So the Jamaica Good Life farmers, right? So you see when the farmers give me things, you set up your network, and your network is your net worth. So basically, this is what your house should look like, because you link up with the farmers. So when you eat as healthy as possible, okay? So that's what my thing look like. So big up to all my farmer brethren. Now, I could put a piece of plantain in the drink too, and add some more power and strength to it, a little bit carbs or banana, all right? Sometimes when we blend the avocado, we blend the skin and a portion of the seed. All right, so you guys are going to see my before and after. I'm on a new journey. We created the Jamaica Health Box, and it's working out well for a lot of people. And it's not just about making funds, it is to show the young Jamaicans that it can be done. You can make products and sell it abroad. That's the Garvey movement. So after me leave this planet, I want to make an impact, a financial impact in each of my brothers and sisters' life. I want to invite the foreigners back home. I want to teach them about safety, so look out for my safety lecture. And video is going to be intense. I have the farmers to plant stuff on your tree. The farmers to plant your trees. I've tested many Jamaicans. Many have failed. A few succeeded. So the ones that have succeeded, I'm teaming them up with people so that they could, them can rise with the people. So big up to Tyrone, my taxi driver. Big up to my farmers, them when I select. And big up to my construction man, Brian. I say nothing. Big up to Gaza and Jason. Big up to everybody when I select. And big up to my people them out there. This, my people, is the future of our country, the future of your health. Go to Jamaica Health Box. I'm not begging you for support. The people them already, I deal with the thing. And who want to be healthy will be healthy. Marcia Johnson, all our clients love her now. Now let me go show you one of the most important things. All right, so now let me show you something that I take every day or every other day. The man food from Jamaica Health Box. This guy right here gives me the energy. It also balances out my pre-diabetes. I'm 49 years old, and this thing right here, for men, greatest product. Now, the 2020 Vision capsule, because I'm older, I take this, 2 of this every day, 50 capsule in here. For my eyes, the moringa capsules, I take this too, all right? And then of course, I take my other supplements when I can find my magnesium and stuff like that. So we have everything natural. We lose the weight, we keep the weight off, we build with energy, we shake with the natural products. That's what we're about. We're about spirulina, we're about maca, we're about sea moss, purple. Go to JamaicaHealthBox.com. This is what your lifestyle should look like. Liquid base, balanced with capsules, balanced with this right here. Now, if you eat the meat, you must have fermentation. We talk about movement in our system. And this is why you see the cold pressed coconut oil is important. This guy right here. So our kitchen is basically different now. And our refrigerator is not too heavy. I still have my fever grass in my refrigerator with a mint. And normally I make a drink. So we don't keep refrigerator too full. We go out and we buy the stuff we need, we use it. The refrigerator, of course, with stinking toe, we have to have a stinking toe in the juice. So stinking toe is also in there. Okay? So we have to have the stinking toe, the ginger, in our shake. So this is what my life is like in Jamaica. What about the palm? Before we do anything, let's go check the guava tree. So this is my life in Jamaica to show you what a pan-Africanist, what an activist life look like, what a radical Paul Bogle youth look like. This is how I'm living, and this is how I want to live, so I can get it to an older age. And we fight the system by educating the ghetto youths. We're not in the loud talking, we're in the doing. We're doers. From 2005, we're doers. We want to do things and just don't talk too much, we just do it. So this is Jamaica Good Life. Let's go check the guava tree. So clearly this morning demonstrate to you that Jamaica is not all they say. Crime. We're not showing a house or nothing. Mind your business. So anyway, there's our guava tree. So right now, some ackee up on the ackee trees. Most of them are going to spoil. The red ants to take it over. So me and the red ants, them are war. So this is what life looks like in Jamaica for returning residents. Remember, we have a machete now. And we were defending ourselves. So like I said, we're there. So I play with people. If people decide to play with we decide we're going to play back. So always have your cutlass. I have about 3 of them and so we're good. So now this is what I want for cook. The cow skin. So right away, so the red ants them, I'm take it over. So I talk to a friend of mine and she said to me, yo, you're afraid of red ants, man, yo, pick up yourself. Comfort. But I'm not afraid of red ants, but the boy them living there so, and you touch it, them go all over the place. She had told me that she beat off red ants. So no, when I say, Randy, you bush the thing, clean up your place. Hey, I'm busy. I'm a Pan-Africanist. I'm the director of the world's largest African history archive. I'm busy. So me not get to clean it yet, so our brethren come help me to clean up on things. We're busy, people. The yard not clean up, things not clean up on things, but we're busy. But we're going to get there. Come and get some sorrel seed and we're going to plant the sorrel seed. But we're busy. We have enough things to weed up and clean up, but I'm very busy. Remember I said, enough people at the world depend on me so I can make some tea with the thing. So enough things we can do. I go plant up the whole of this and Carlo and things so the neighbors then can get Carlo. So the whole system, the whole backyard system. And that tree is not a moringa tree, so I won't forget a moringa tree, that's all. You see me? But we're busy, man. That's why I should have wear my water boots. So this is what a morning looks like in Jamaica, in the backyard. So the reason why I keep saying guava, because people, you guys are supposed to eat guava like every day. Very good for the gums, all right? And the good thing about living in Jamaica and the good life, waiting for the good wife, is that, you see, it's so natural and lovely, yeah? And then you plant your guava tree. When you're in abroad right now and you have your land, plant a lot of guava tree and soursop tree and just contact us. Contact me, 646-330-9150. I'll put you in touch with the farmers. You become a member of Jamaica Good Life. Support it. A lot of people call us for contacts. You're not a member. You're getting nothing. Buy a t-shirt, become a member. When a member on a church, when a member, on an organization. So stop disrespect around the elevation. Yes, it's a Marcus Garvey nation. So now let's go to the other end of the tree. Yeah. This is what Jamaica Good Life look like. Now, here's the reality. The reality is that every Jamaican can do this. Every one of them. Don't ever cry for a man that is hungry. Cry have hand. You just have to teach him how to use him head. Everything in life is a mindset. Poverty is in the mind first. If you think you're poor, you're poor. If you think you're rich, you're rich. It's what you decide wealth is that becomes wealth. For me, this is wealth. Oh, see there? We go over them and fall off a tree. It's what I deal with. Every morning I ready to go over a tree. If you every morning we're ready to go over a tree. Look there. Them guava look like pear. Big up to Mr. T. St. Clair. Man a Pan-Africanist. Oh. Tell me say Jamaica have crime. See it ya? It's a crime for buy them here. That is the crime. If we not just a focus on crime, we not keep focused on that. Me pick the guava them off on a guava tree. Just give me one address. When I've got to pay my farmers them for plant up on a thing. Look on. No, you see, if we not deal with God things, look here. See God things, yeah? Me must get up in the morning and watch some little low level. Me not say crime not there, no, but crime is not the only thing in life. So at least plant some guava tree, people. I keep telling you guys, 2 years ago, I keep telling you, plant trees. Now, while I was filming and in Africa and everywhere, my family are farmers. So not every family are farmers. My sister and them in Texas, me teach them how to, my family give them, we have, callaloo seeds. So we share it. One person contact, Randy, me need some seeds. Send $20, me put in the mail for you. Look like they want me to go to the post office and send the seed them. I walk with the, I said, people no know. Randy, give me the contact for that lady. Them not even say good morning or uprising. I need the contact for the lady with the cupboard. Go donate something to her. And then you get the contact. I said, the people, the land is for sale over there. I need a contact for it. Buying a t-shirt, say great work, Randy. Them just want, you see, do you think that the Jamaicans, them are poor people, are the only disgusting people? We out of order. And let me teach you something that they taught me in Africa. You see, when I'm speaking, you're not supposed to be speaking. In some places in Africa, you have to ask the elders to speak. No, I don't like that one here too much. Send that back to earth. Give thanks anyway. So Jamaicans, most of you are out of order. You contact somebody, you start talking and tell them your business and what upon your mind because you have river brain, river mouth. Randy, yeah man, I'm going to live over there, so I'm going to do this and then this will happen to me. I say, so good morning, uprising, how you doing? Psychological damage, man. See there? Look on the guava them, man. They might drop off a tree. The guava tree so full it a bend over. So most of them call and I just, uno. At 20 years, me I uplift the country. And not one of them say, Randy, you alright? Are you okay? Is there anything we can do to help you? We see you trying to show the country positive. Is there anything we can do to help you? No, man. No, not just want. So me cut off enough people. And ladies, call me if you're a serious African. No call me if you're a watered down British woman. No waste my time, please. If you have an agenda and the agenda is not mine, Mr. Marcus Garvey, constantly move along, please. The spider catch me. Why, spider web catch me. Spider bite me, then catch me. Sir. Spider catch me. So, woman, no phone, no comment, don't waste my time. I'm a Garveyite, no waste my time. The Messiah is Marcus Garvey. Me said, don't waste my time. If you're not like Amy Garvey, ready to do the work, don't waste my time. Please. My Messiah is Marcus Garvey. So I'm going to say it again, no waste my time. Thank you very much. This is Jamaica Good Life. Alright, so now see the bird pepper here. I mean plant it now. It catch up lovely. I say good morning bird pepper. Make you hot like fire. Are you my desire? Are you take my food higher? Yes, so I'm done with that. Yeah, you're happy, right? Yes, so yeah, me know so you're happy, so I recognize you. Eh? No people, you see this right here, so are them for the bees. So you see all of them grass that when I leave is because I want the bees. I want the bees to enjoy themselves. So Babylon Naza tell you to clean up your place. Well, if me clean up all of this, where the bees them I go get? We have to coexist. The law of coexistence, right? You see all them red ants over there, so I'm going to drink some tea with them and blend them up. Watch me on them. So this is the law of coexistence. See them there? You know how much bees me have? I love them, man, because they make nice and them just, without bees, no honey. A bees make money. Money no make bees. A bees make money. Without bees, there's no honey. So, you have to have bees in your yard. Leave some of the bush them for the bees, because them Spanish needle, my mother tell me, say them very good for something. Right? So, this is a real good backyard. Because you see when you're asleep, and the thing start make noise when you're asleep. You see what I say? So this is a perfect oasis, a balance between. This is Montego Bay. So I say to you, I'm falling in love with Mobile because of the ocean, the modernization. When electricity gone, it come back quick. You see, when water gone, it come back quick. The airport is near. The infrastructure is good. The security is good in certain places, shopping mall and stuff. Anything you want, business, from Radio Shack to printing a label, you don't have to go to Kingston. Unlike Portland, it's not business-centric. So if you're a business person trying to do business as you return, I recommend Mandeville. I recommend Montego Bay. Not so much St. Anne's, but those are the business capital. Kingston, Montego Bay, and Mandeville. To have the best of both all worlds is Montego Bay. So you hear about crime. Let me tell you something. Mobile has things that you wouldn't imagine. And Mandeville has a lot of small businesses. Portland has the nature, but it's not business-centric. So I want a balance. I want bush. I want water. I want river. I want access. I want infrastructure. I want security. I want community. Montego Bay. So all the bad things you hear, there's bad things everywhere and a lot of bad things in Montego Bay. But let me tell you something. When you look at the bigger picture, for returning business residents, when you can get up in the morning, if you live on the sidelines, you can see this in Mobile. And then you can, 5 minutes from this, you get to the city. You take the plane out. You have the best beaches. You know, you have the rivers. So you have the best of all worlds and infrastructure. And so you want to go to top hotels if you want to take a break from your house. So I'm rediscovering Montego Bay and find it to be amazing. So for business, whether you want to print t-shirt, business cards, you want to do yoga, you want to work out. You know, so Kingston is not the top ocean. So Mobile is one. The one thing I love about Mobile, it's Montego Bay is 1 hour away from my most favorite place in the world, Negril. All right. So now, here what we're going to do. Low battery power. Here what we're going to do. 29 minutes. We're going to take 2 of our bird peppers and put it in our drink. Now this, the bird pepper now, blessed to you bird pepper, I'm going to take 2 out now and I'm going to put it in my drink. You see me? Man to go beer. So I'm going to put this in the shake this morning. So blessed to you bird pepper, thanks for your hotness. What's call her? Call her Maxine. Maxine. You know, say a long time I can come in and give thanks for your hotness. Alright? So the bird pepper tree named Maxine. What the bee's name? The bee's name Elizabeth. You see, my name, my bees them enough people. In a life, this is one of the dream and not so one. Hey Candice, what you deal with? So my bees them have name. You see, when I reach a level when I can name on the bees them, come talk to me. This is Jamaica good life. It's not a cub life. Watch where you step on. Randy's a weapon. Big up to Sandy. Randy and the girls and Candy. Boom. This is Jamaica good life. Check out on the bees, people. We name we bees them. And if life can get better than this, we have to have bees. So let the grass them grow. That if you know. Make we go put this in our shake. So now we put this in our shake, so battery soon done. So now 3 bird pepper now for wash that. Bing, bing, bing. You see me? So now we have a panganet. People call it pamakanet. In Jamaica we call it panganet. Cutting short. Now make me show you now my chocho we are grow. We put with chocho a certain space. So my chocho here. Chocho nice up the place. Oh, chocho. Yeah, the little one them look like and do nothing. Big up to Miss Prim, you know, if you do the thing. So right just so. Bing, guava, I do the thing. A guava here, guava. I love guava, one of my favorite things. Alright, now I see my. So, people, this is Randy. Jamaica Good Life. And this is my shake. This is my life in Jamaica. This is how I'm living. You know, pot need for wash. Things I look up, you know me I say. This is how I do my production. So I'm gonna take care of yourself, take care of the family, live well. And remember, I'm telling you something. Poverty is in your mind. You're rich, you just don't know it. Plant a seed. Hey bees, I'm gonna stop it. Now the morning when I come out and I hear the noise. Law of coexistence. What it say? Hear the birds? Hear the bees? That's when you know say you're with God. It's not just going on your head. Listen to nature. The bee, look on the butterfly. I have butterfly, I have bees, I have birds. That's when you know say God is near. And not just going on your head. You hear the bees them? See the lizard? See the red ants? Life around you abundantly. Coconut, water. When you come back home, take on the time. When you need help, me will help you later.